You guys are seriously going to want to make my Thai chicken meatballs. They are yum and they're gluten-free. We start off with the paste that's going to go into the meatball. So thinking Thai flavors, kaffir lime, spring onion, soy sauce. I'm using gluten-free soy sauce. And then the usual spices and that you do get in Thai flavors. All the ingredients are in the description. You make your paste, then some breadcrumbs, and pop your paste in with your chicken mince and then roll them up, pop them in the fridge for at least a couple of hours. This is actually really important because they need to firm up. And then we're on to the Thai curry paste for our actual sauce. Once again, all Thai ingredients, lovely and yum. A little bit of water so it'll mix up nicely. And then scrape the sides down, pop it to one side, get a skillet onto a medium-high heat, and then cook your paste off for a few minutes. Add in some water or chicken stock, and then add in a combination of coconut cream and coconut milk. Now we're going to just give a bit of colour onto our meatballs and then pop them into the sauce. And once this is thickened, then it is ready. Keep basting your meatballs as well. It'll add moisture and flavour to them. And then this is how I plate it up. Using a jug for your sauce is always easier.